In this video, I'm gonna teach you how to connect PlayStation 5 controller to Samsung S22 Ultra. It's a very easy process, so make sure to follow along. In this video, I'm gonna give you easy to follow instructions on how to properly set up and use your DualSense controller on a Samsung S22 Ultra. They are going to be compatible natively, and the most convenient way by far to connect them is with Bluetooth. So I'm going to talk about Bluetooth, and then I'm gonna give you another option that you can use if Bluetooth does not work right away. So for you to use Bluetooth to connect your DualSense controller, first make sure that it is enabled on your phone. So open the Settings app, and inside of the settings, you will be able to access the Bluetooth category. Make sure that it is enabled, and you will see the list of available devices. To make sure that your DualSense appears under the list of available devices, you have to put it into pairing mode. So to do this, press and hold the PlayStation and the share button simultaneously. After you hold them down for a couple of seconds, the light bar will start flashing, indicating that the controller is now in pairing mode. Now, your phone will start scanning for the controller nearby as long as they are in close proximity, and you will be able to choose it from the list of available devices. Immediately upon doing so, give it a few seconds and they will connect automatically. With this done, you can open any game that supports controllers on your Samsung S22 Ultra, and you will be able to use the controller that you just connected. All of the buttons will work natively as long as the game supports it, and you can repeat this process as many times as you wish with as many controllers as you have. Once you do this at least once, it is going to automatically pair itself up with the phone as long as you turn it on and both of the devices are in close proximity of each other. If it doesn't work, restart your phone, make sure that you paired it up properly, and double check to see if the controller is not pairing up with something else around the room instead of the S22 Ultra. I hope I was able to help you on how to connect PlayStation 5 controller to Samsung S22 Ultra. If this video helped you, please be sure to leave a like and subscribe for more very easy tips. Thank you for watching.